Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper trending on Hugging Face, which was published just yesterday on May 25, 2026, tackles a major bottleneck in 3D computer vision. While modern systems can reconstruct scenes rapidly, they usually rely on fuzzy 3D Gaussian shapes that cannot be easily used in physics engines or robotics. This paper is titled TriSplat Simulation Ready Feed-Forward 3D Scene Reconstruction. To bridge this gap, the authors predict oriented triangle primitives, which are essentially tiny flat triangles that fit together like puzzle pieces, to directly build simulation-ready meshes in a single forward pass. This approach completely bypasses slow post-processing steps, delivering a 33 to 249 times speedup. As we will see, their method for keeping these triangles aligned during training is incredibly clever. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. You can find TriSplat checkpoints for RE10K and DL3DV on Hugging Face, alongside handy code examples for installation, training, and evaluating your own 3D scene reconstructions. Figure 1 illustrates the direct simulation capabilities of TriSplat, which outputs scenes that are instantly ready for virtual physics testing. By generating a clean triangle mesh instead of fuzzy Gaussians, the model allows virtual robots to interact with reconstructed environments with zero post-processing. On the left side of the scene, a robotic arm manipulates an object on a table. In the center, a bouncing ball traces a physically accurate path across the seating area. On the right, a humanoid robot and a robotic quadruped navigate this reconstructed patio seamlessly, proving that the geometry is ready for complex collision detection, which means calculating exactly when and where two solid objects touch. Figure 2 details the architecture of TriSplat, showing how it transforms sparse images into physical meshes. This setup uses a geometry-anchored triangle orientation strategy, which means extracting starting directions from predicted point maps to keep the mesh pieces aligned. The main pipeline processes inputs through a Dino V2 backbone to predict raw triangle attributes. Then, the dashed inset shows how the model refines these shapes into smooth surface elements. Finally, the top right chart demonstrates superior rendering quality at a speed of 0.5 seconds. Figure 3 visualizes the final mesh rendering quality, comparing TriSplat against other baselines on the DL3D versus dataset. If you look at the baseline methods, they struggle heavily with missing surfaces and fragmented geometry when converted to meshes. In contrast, the TriSplat reconstructions retain a highly complete and coherent triangle structure because its rendering primitives are designed as actual triangles from the start. Table 1 demonstrates that TriSplat consistently produces much more accurate surface geometry than the other baselines. Here, chamfer distance measures the spatial gap between the predicted mesh and the true surface, so a lower number means a closer fit. If we look at the 6 views column, the model achieves a chamfer distance of 0.613, which dramatically outperforms the next best method. This trend of superior precision and recall is highlighted in the bottom row across all camera view configurations. Well, the previous table showed general results, but Table 3 focuses on the real estate dataset. This table compares different evaluation groups: surface quality and novel view synthesis quality, which measures how realistic a newly rendered angle looks. Looking at the bottom row, TriSplat outperforms every alternative approach. Our model achieves an outstanding peak signal-to-noise ratio of nearly 25 decibels. Figure 8 demonstrates that TriSplat dramatically speeds up mesh generation compared to alternative models. In this context, inference time is the actual duration the system takes to process images and produce a usable mesh. Looking at the 6 views group, our model finishes in just 0.57 seconds, while other methods take at least 18 seconds. Even with 24 views, TriSplat requires only 1.2 seconds, because it completely avoids the costly post-processing steps that slow down Gaussian models. Ultimately, TriSplat successfully bridges the gap between fast feed-forward reconstruction and interactive physics. By natively predicting oriented triangles, this model enables instant collision detection and robot simulation without any painful post-processing. That wraps up this look at simulation-ready reconstruction. I'm Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.